Why is staying in shape important for seniors? Isn't it just for the young and energetic? Well, let's demystify this misconception. Fitness isn't just about the rippling muscles and the beach body, it goes beyond the surface, contributing significantly to overall health, mental well-being, and the ability to maintain independence, especially in the golden years. Physical fitness for seniors is like the key to a treasure chest of benefits. It's all about enhancing the quality of life. Regular exercise can help manage or even prevent chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and osteoporosis. It aids in improving balance, reducing the risk of falls, a common concern as we age. But it's not only about physical health. Exercise is also a boon for mental well-being. It's a natural mood lifter, combating feelings of sadness or depression. It can sharpen the mind, improving cognitive functions, and reducing the risk of dementia. Now let's talk about independence. As we age, we want to maintain our ability to perform everyday tasks without assistance. Regular physical activity strengthens muscles and improves flexibility, allowing seniors to remain self-reliant longer. On the flip side, a sedentary lifestyle can do more harm than you might think. Lack of physical activity can lead to weight gain, decreased muscle strength, and flexibility, making everyday tasks more challenging. It can also contribute to feelings of loneliness and depression. So, fitness for seniors isn't just about preventing negative outcomes. It's about promoting positive ones. It's about enhancing strength and stamina, boosting mood and memory, and fostering a sense of independence. It's about embracing the golden years with vitality and vigor. And remember, starting a fitness journey doesn't necessarily mean hitting the gym or running a marathon. It's about finding enjoyable, sustainable ways to stay active, whether that's a daily walk, gardening, or even dancing. So, staying in shape isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling good and living a vibrant, independent life. And who wouldn't want that? You might be wondering how to start this fitness journey. Is it too late? Absolutely not. It's never too late to start. So, where do you begin? The first step is all about setting realistic goals. This might mean aiming for a 20-minute walk each day, or perhaps working up to 5 flights of stairs. Remember, these goals are personal to you, so don't compare yourself to others. Your journey is unique, and that's what makes it special. Next, we can't stress enough the importance of starting slow. If you're new to exercise or it's been a while, it's crucial not to rush. Begin with low-impact activities. These could be gentle walks, or perhaps some light stretching exercises. The key is to listen to your body. If you feel any discomfort, it's a sign that you might be pushing too hard. Over time, as your strength and endurance improve, you can gradually increase the intensity of your workouts. This might mean walking a little faster or maybe adding a few more stretches to your routine. The idea is to keep challenging your body, but in a safe and controlled way. Now let's talk about consistency. To reap the most benefits from your fitness journey, it's important to keep up with your routine. That's why it's crucial to choose activities you enjoy. Maybe you love the tranquility of yoga, or perhaps you find joy in dancing. Whatever it is, make sure it's something that brings a smile to your face. This way, exercise won't feel like a chore, but rather a fun part of your day. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your progress. Each step you take, every stretch you make, is a testament to your commitment to your health. So give yourself a pat on the back, you're doing an amazing job. Remember, the goal is to move more and sit less. Every little bit of physical activity counts. Now, what are some good exercises for seniors? Let's dive into some of the best workouts that are both safe and effective. First off, the simplest exercise is often the most overlooked: walking. Walking is a wonderful low-impact exercise that improves cardiovascular health, strengthens bones, and enhances balance. It's something you can do anytime, anywhere, and it's easy to fit into your daily routine. Next, let's dive into the pool. Swimming is another low-impact exercise that's great for seniors. It's easy on the joints, but don't be fooled. It's a full-body workout that improves heart health and muscle strength. Plus, the water provides resistance that helps build muscle in a gentle, supportive environment. Moving on to strength training. Now I know what you're thinking, isn't that for bodybuilders? Not at all. Strength training is essential for everyone, especially seniors. It helps maintain muscle mass, which naturally decreases with age. Simple exercises using light weights or resistance bands can make a world of difference. Now, if you're looking for a mind-body connection, yoga is the way to go. Yoga not only improves flexibility and balance, but it also promotes relaxation and reduces stress. There are many styles of yoga, so you can find one that suits your needs and abilities. Remember, it's not about doing the most complex poses, but about moving your body and staying active. Finally, let's talk about Tai Chi. This ancient Chinese martial art is fantastic for improving balance and flexibility. It involves slow, controlled movements that are easy on the joints. Plus, it's a form of moving meditation that can help reduce stress and improve mental well-being. Incorporating these exercises into your routine can greatly contribute to your overall health. But remember, it's not about how much you do, but about staying consistent. Start with what you can manage and gradually build up from there. Don't forget to always listen to your body and rest when needed. Exercise is important, but so is what you fuel your body with. Let's talk about nutrition and hydration. Eating right isn't just about maintaining a healthy weight, it's about ensuring your body gets the nutrients it needs for optimal performance and recovery. A balanced diet is like premium fuel for your body. It keeps you running smoothly and efficiently, especially as you age. Picture your plate as a vibrant canvas. The more colors, the better. Vibrant fruits and vegetables are chock full of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They help boost your immune system and keep your heart healthy. Try to make them at least half of your plate at each meal. Next, let's add some lean proteins. Think fish, poultry, beans, and nuts. These aren't just muscle builders. They're also vital for repairing tissues, making hormones, and supporting a healthy immune system. Now, let's not forget whole grains. They're your body's main source of energy. Foods like brown rice, oatmeal, and whole grain bread provide the fuel your body needs to keep going, especially during exercise. But that's not all. Nutrition is only one part of the equation. Hydration is equally important. Water plays a crucial role in almost every bodily function. It helps regulate body temperature, lubricate joints, and transport nutrients. Especially when exercising, staying well hydrated is key. Without enough water, your body can't perform at its best. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, dizziness, and other complications. So drink plenty of fluids before, during, and after your workout. And remember, hydration is not just about water. Foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges are packed with water and can help keep you hydrated. A balanced diet and hydration are not standalone solutions, but they are integral components of a healthy lifestyle. Pair them with regular exercise for the best results. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is a balance of good nutrition, regular exercise, and plenty of water. So, we've covered quite a bit today about staying in shape as a senior. Let's quickly recap. We started by emphasizing the importance of fitness for seniors. Fitness is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good, maintaining independence, and enjoying our golden years to the fullest. Regular exercise can help manage chronic conditions, improve mood and memory, and even boost our longevity. Next, we talked about those initial steps to start your fitness journey. Remember, it's never too late to start. Begin with setting realistic goals, then gradually increase your activity level. Don't forget to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise regimen. We also highlighted some top exercises for seniors. These included low-impact activities like swimming, walking, and yoga, along with strength training exercises. The key is to find something you enjoy, so it becomes a sustainable part of your routine. Then we dove into the role of nutrition and hydration. Eating a balanced diet is crucial to fueling your body and recovering from workouts. Hydration too plays a vital role in regulating body temperature and keeping joints lubricated, so keep your plates colorful with fruits and vegetables, and don't forget to drink plenty of water. Now it's over to you. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, take that step today. Start small, be consistent, and most importantly, have fun with it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Remember, the content of this video is for informational purposes only, and is not intended to be used as a substitute for professional medical diagnosis, advice, or treatment. Stay active, stay healthy, and live your best life.